So one of the things that we talked about when I was talking to your sales staff at Vapor Technologies was the fact that there was a trade-in, trade-up kind of deal. And I don't know exactly how that, what all the finite details of that is, but the way I understood it was that as my business grew, that I was looking at, I'm now into a partnership to where my business can grow. And the equity stake that I put into the machine today is going to be there when I'm ready to step up to the next level. I mean, you know, there's jewelry stores that do that. There's watchmakers that do that. There's some high-end premier companies that's their line of thinking, is they want a customer for life. So right out of the gate, when I was looking at the competitors, because we did talk to some competitors, and there was some products out there that I couldn't get good information on. I couldn't get a good callback on. The team over at Vapor Technologies was there. They were available for me to answer the smallest, most minute question that was probably easy for them to answer. But I knew that I was looking at building a lifelong relationship with a company that wanted to see me grow, because they knew that, you know, the next rung on the ladder, there was somebody else coming up behind me that's going to want to do the same thing too. So that was a super important part of my decision to purchase one of the cabinets from Vapor Technologies, was the fact that I knew that I was in an equity stake right out of the gate, and that there would be equity in that machine as long as I took care of it and used it for its intended purpose.